Last video of 2020 has to be home decor. This is a stunning video from my Masi's house, which features so many colors, so many textures, so many edgy styles that I'm sure you'll all fall in love with. So in my today's video, you'll not only get a glimpse of their house, but also some style tips and advices that you can incorporate to make a beautiful home. So style number one is to display something that's surprising. I absolutely love their dining room decor. So these are really quirky frames, which I also think is very cool idea. आप एक फ्रेम में अपनी एक्सेसरीज को भी फ्रेम कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि आप सेंटर वाले फ्रेम को देखेंगे, इट्स लिटरली अ 3D फ्रेम. Plus these intricate lace motif wale frames, these are so whimsical and stunning. I think this is how you can elevate any dining room plain wall area. Personally, for me, one of the biggest trends that will continue to rule in next year also in home decor are these colorful wall plates. These abstract patterns and painted wall plates breathes in so much personality into this white space. So different shapes and different sizes of wall plates when coupled together can make for a great impactful wall art. Underneath you can have your bar or a cabinet. The next idea for you is to make it all pop. I love this really cozy, intimate, a plant nook or a plant corner that actually adds so much life into a living room area. So this corner has been created using a wooden cabinet, which is so edgy, not a regular wooden cabinet, guys. You can see the print on it. And I love the different colors of ceramic items that have been placed, some plants that work beautifully with the painting above. The next style for you is to play with shapes. The more unique, the bigger the statement when it comes to actually placing cushion covers and cushions on your sofa, on a solid color sofa. So consider switching up things using cushions that are not of the same shapes, that don't come in the single color or a single print, but actually play with different textures, different colors that not only add a lot of brightness and vividness to your living room space, but creates a statement, and everything works together so elegantly. See, all the other things in the living room work brilliantly with every single cushion piece. So guys, make sure that the next time you want to change and dress up your sofa, this is how it should be done. The next idea for you is to be bold. For an eye-catching corner, opt for one large piece on your wall. This painting that has so many colors adds so much personality to the living space. The next style is to think abstract. Nobody wants to stare on a white wall for a very long time, especially that's next to a washroom. So I absolutely love this bedroom idea. A nice wall piece, wall upholstery, I think this is from Vejor if I'm not wrong, has been placed against a sofa seater, which is of the same similar color, same gradient, creates for such a quirky and an edgy wall piece. The next style is to add statement mirrors. Mirrors add so much to a room, whether it is in terms of giving that idea of a larger space or just that edginess. It works so well. Though it's simple and easy to do, but I think it adds so much statement to a room. So these are some of the ideas of the mirrors that they have actually used in their bedrooms, and I absolutely love them. So much color, so much variety. This is one of the dressers that they've created because they didn't want to add a new piece of furniture altogether, and I think it's a very clever idea. The next idea for you is to breathe something new into a usual coffee table. This coffee table has my heart. Clustered together, these eclectic tiles function as art and also reflect so much color, so much life into a space. With a statement coffee table like this, you really don't need to do much of decor on the surface. But I think one big statement furniture like this is for the win. The next idea for you is to try new shapes of the wall art. A classic frame can be replaced with different shapes and different styles of wall arts that makes this space a lot more unique and adds so much thoughtfulness. For instance, look at this wall clock. Not only does this look cool, but it also adds the almost bohemian feel into the space. The next idea for you is to think out of the box. If you have a collection of items that look together, that have a similar feel or color, put them into a cluster and display them as artwork. This floating shelf looks fun and stylish and is also a great affordable way to actually give new meaning to things that you already have. Oh, and you'll also have many stories to share with your guest. So the next idea is to create a nice book corner. With the use of ceramic, wildlife and some ethnic elements, I think you create that unpretentious sophistication on a book nook that, by the way, can also be a great Instagrammable spot and also an edgy way to display your book collection, especially for the book lovers. Guys, I hope you love their house as much as I do. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and of course, have a great new year.